Hii ndio hali for over 3 kilometers. Vile mnaona magari zote zimefungania. There's no way in. Hapa ni viewpoint. There's traffic like no man's business. Wow. Huku ni wrong side. Wani watu wamelala. Let me show you the situation. You can see. So far I have walked for more than 1 kilometer. Where? Watu walale. Sasa mkifungua hapa wanafunga. Watu walale tu. Unajua wanakuja hivi ndio wanatufungulia nafasi ya sisi kuteremka. So at any given time lazima hao wasonge hivi ndio. Kila mtu ako na idea yake, lakini shida ishatokea. I've told you guys I've walked for more than 2 kilometers so far from where my car is. I want to know how intense and far the situation is in front of us so that tujue kama tunalala kwa gari ama tunatembea kutoka viewpoint hadi na zimeanza kufunguliwa. Hey. Hai. Oi. Hapa ni viewpoint. Naona hali ni mwetete. Ukiangalia huko chini ni pande ya Narok, Mai Mahiu, all that way. But now the problem at viewpoint whereby traffic jam from both sides have there's no way. Both sides are blocked. The side to go to Nairobi and the side from Nairobi. And so everybody is coming up with their own idea on how they're going to ease the traffic. And that's why we are really requesting the government to run this road, Rironi Nakuru Road 24/7. Kazi itengenezwe huku. The Mr. President, please. Fanya hii maneno ikue haraka. Jamaa ananichekelea hapa. Look. Just look at the situation. Look at the situation. That's why we are asking the President of Kenya, if you can be able to construct the Rironi Nakuru Highway 24/7, both day and night, you're going to help us a lot. You're going to have eased a lot of traffic, a lot of congestion. Because it's 9, look at this car. Okay, it's like it has started to move, but really slow. Oh. Okay, we won't go past here because we are afraid our car will leave us and the driver doesn't have our number. So that's it.